Meet the UMW ground rail welding robot. Sturdy, high-performance design with a 1.5-meter ground rail. Unbeatable working range for all welding tasks. 7. Axis coordinated motion. Weld in any posture with precision. Import your workpiece 3D model, and our smart system recognizes it in an instant. Zero manual programming, pure intelligent operation. The robot scans the weld seams automatically. Every seam is identified clearly and accurately. Select your target welds, and one click to generate the optimal welding path. All planned by the system, fast, precise, and hassle-free. Let's start welding. The system features plus or minus 25 millimeters automatic error compensation, adapts to assembly errors in real time, no manual adjustment needed. Look at that weld. Flawless, smooth, uniform bead, perfect fusion, absolute expert level quality. Parametric modeling for all common components. Even without a 3D model, scan and model in seconds. Smart scanning, smart processing, we make complex welding simple. Now, let's move on to intermittent welding. Watch the precision, steady motion, consistent welds. Again, perfect bead appearance, neat and uniform. Every spot is just right. Industrial grade welding at its finest. Steel structures, stainless steel kitchenware, building cables, industrial fans, all industries covered. Your ultimate welding partner, UMW.